What if I told you that you could own a home inside of one of Pembroke Pines' most sought-after gated communities for the affordable price of $400,000? Good morning, everyone. It's always so good to see you. My name is Michael Valenti with Lamacchia Realty, and that's right, $400,000. Right now, at the time of making this video, this is the lowest priced townhome available in all of Pembroke Isles. If you've been waiting for the right moment to get into this community, this is it, because opportunities like this don't last. Welcome to living in South Florida. Come on in, I can't wait to show you this one. Built in 2001, this is a rarely available 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhouse with over 1,100 square feet of living space. Step inside and you're greeted by a spacious open combo dining and living area, perfect for entertaining, and completed with a 1-car garage and a private driveway for a second vehicle. 24-hour guard-gated community, so you get that peace of mind, privacy, and security every single day. This isn't just a home, this is a lifestyle, and it's priced in a way that it actually makes it attainable. The kitchen is original, but this is where the opportunity lies. It has a lot of cabinet storage, a pantry, and plenty of countertop space to prepare any meal. And when it's time to unwind, let's head upstairs where you will find the spacious primary suite completed with 2 closets and the primary bath. The second room is across the hall and completed by a second bath right outside the door. And when the storm season rolls around, you're covered with accordion hurricane shutters throughout. Now, here's where it gets really good. For just $354 a month in HOA fees, you get access to a full resort lifestyle right outside your door. We're talking 4 pools, a fully equipped gym, tennis courts, basketball courts, and the HOA even includes landscaping, cable, internet, and security patrol. Located in Pembroke Isles, in the heart of Pembroke Pines, this community puts you just minutes from top-rated schools, major shopping, dining, and I-75, making your commute anywhere in South Florida a breeze. Whether you're a first-time buyer, downsizing, or looking for a smart investment, this location checks every single box. Listings at this price inside of Pembroke Isles are extremely rare, and this one will not last. If you'd like to schedule a private showing or get more information, reach out to me directly. The link is right here in the description. Don't wait on this one. Your opportunity to own in Pembroke Isles is right now. I'll see you inside.